Hello programmer, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you weighted tip prediction using machine learning. Okay, so let's start our. Okay, so we use all those libraries in that project. Okay, and let's run the main file python space app.py. Enter. Okay, just copy the URL. Okay, and just paste in the Chrome. Okay, so just enter all this value. Okay, weighted tip prediction. Now we just enter the total bill like 6,000 rupees and gender 0 for female. Okay, and for Thursday you type 0. Okay, and time like dinner for the one and 0 for lunch. Okay, we just type 1 for dinner. Okay, and the size will be like the 3. Okay, so we have to enter less than 6. Okay, just submit, click on the submit. Okay, then it will show the tip that will be 512.45. okay, so yeah, now we again make a different bill that will be 1,000 rupees. Okay, and gender male. We first now choose Saturday for 2. Okay, and 5. Okay, then submit. Okay, now we have to give tip 57 rupees. Okay, on 1,000 rupees. Okay, so we are providing all type of projects related to machine learning, deep learning, AI.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.